All right, so you got your vinyl upstairs. We got our line started. So how do we do the bulk install? So basically, we got a uniclick product here. It's got a tongue on the butt end and on the long seam, obviously. So we put in the butt end first. I know you've seen this before. Boom, pop it in, pop it in. We're doing an instructional video here, Ruben. What do you think? Tell me if I'm doing anything wrong here. So I go in, I pop it. Ruben is the flooring guru. So we pop it in, boom, pop. Oh, that was a nice click.
Code standard, that is 100%.
That is the code standard?
Code standard of the installation NW.
So as we continue going here, if Carson can get the angle properly, he is new with the camera. All right, we go in again, boom. The key is, if you can see here, you see how this is tight and that has a little bit of a gap? That allows us to pull it in, boom, easily. And then you see how this side has a little bit of a gap there still. We pop that in after. Let me show you what happens. Carson, do you want to get out of the light somehow? Come over maybe to this side. Get out of the natural light. There we go. Are we still kind of flat, centered? So, come here. What? You gonna trash my lights right now? Ruben's on the phone. Ruben's on the phone. I think he's talking to Tommy. Okay, he's not talking to me. If we try to install this side first, see that one's in, this one's not. It's gonna be a lot harder, even though I still got it in. It's gonna be a lot harder to get it in. Okay, one more time. So this is the proper way. A little bit of space there. We pop it in. Oh, see what happens? This is the wrong way to do it. That side went in first. I put too much pressure on the right side. And then now it's not wanting to go in here. And it actually separated me. See here? So we go in. Boom. Flat. Install. Install. So continue over here, Carson. And we'll do a wall cut. We get our board. We flip it around. That was a double flip. What you know about a double flip, Cars? What you know about the double flip? Yeah, you're not answering.
Double back.
Double back? Okay, so we butt it up against the wall. This is gonna give us our exact measurement if we cut it to the edge of the flooring, but we wanna leave a little bit of room for expansion. So we go there, usually use a speed square. I've been doing this for 9 years, so it's easy for me to make a straight line by this time. Click on that side, just that easy. And you can see the gap that we cut off allows for expansion. So
How do you make such straight lines?
muscle memory, Carson, muscle memory. And move with your elbow, not your hand. That's the key. Use your lat, and I'll show you when we get to another wall cut. Use your lats, not your triceps. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the human anatomy. Anatomy? You go here, and you're using your elbow to draw it back. It's in line with your body. Pop it. And we're in, and Ruben's laughing at me. You know what? He's not laughing. Oh.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'll talk where else.
Is that Tamush? That's Tamush? Tamushka.
Yeah.
What is he thinking?
He's just seeing if we need help.
He wants to work.
Yeah.
How did you convince him to do that?
I said absolutely nothing. Just heard you guys were working together and you want to be part of the greatness.
He's missing out. Dude, it's been a month now.
Dude, I know.
He could have been a part of this. I told him, but it's okay. All right, you can pause the card.